Can you see? Right there, there's nothing there. So what I did was I just put the jack under here. I'm just gonna take the wheel off. I bought some of these grease fittings. Hopefully I just throw it right in there. But we'll see, who the heck knows? I really wanted to do it without taking the wheel off. But I think it'll be easier to take the wheel off, so let's see. Here we go. All right, we got a locking washer, bolt. Oh, I'm gonna have to take out both sides like that. All right. This should pull. All right. There it is. I can't even see what the hell's going on here. Should wipe this off and then take a good look. Looks like the top came off. I have to try to do one of these easy out things. I don't even know if I can get it in there. This is like reverse thread. I don't think it's gonna be possible. Let's see. I'm just hoping this is gonna pull it out. Yeah, here it comes. There it goes, so we got it. So here's the top of it. All right, so hopefully a little bit of this. Oops, that was too much. Wound up in the same place as before, but that's why I'm leaving it this time. Let's just make sure I can get my my grease gun on it. Let's just do this now. Here it comes. All right. Goes like this. More thread locker, just to be sure. All right, that's it. Ta-da. All right, thanks for watching. I just pull the jack stand out, we're done. Here come my kids on the bus.